Welcome to Future of Physics, the second part of electronics, device and solid state. First part, we have solved 5 number of questions based for IIT JAM, TIFR, GATE and CSI and NET and others MSc entrance exam and others PhD entrance exam. Now then, today I will solve based few questions from these topics, same this topic, useful for all entrance examination, especially IIT JAM, CHEST, GATE, TIFR, CSI and NET. Part 2. Okay, now starts. Now the first question is the second order maximum n is equals to 2. The second order maximum n is equals to 2 in the refraction of X-rays of 0.20 nanometer. This is the lambda. This is the lambda. 0.20 nanometer wavelength from a simple cubic crystal is found to occur at an angle 30 degree theta. To the crystal plane, the distance between the lattice planes each. Solution. Is 2d sin theta equals to n lambda. Now 2d sin theta equals to 2 lambda. 2d sin 30 degree theta equals to 30 degree is equals to 2 into lambda 0.20 nanometer 2 meter 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Now d is equals to 2 into 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Now 0.4 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Then 4 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Now the answer is 4 angstrom. The answer C is correct. Now the second question is, when two different solids are brought in contact with each other, when two different solids are brought in contact with each other, which one of the following is true? Option A, their Fermi energies become equal. Their band gaps become equal. Option C, their chemical potentials become equal. Option D, their work functions become equal. When two different solids are brought in contact with each other, when contacting each other, the option C is correct. Their chemical potential become equal. Two different solids, when two different solids brought in contact with each other, the option C is correct. Their chemical potentials become equal. Third question I will solve. To operate, it's a based question only for TIFR and GATE. To operate a NPN transistor in active region. To operate a NPN transistor in active region, its emitter base and collector base junction respectively should be solution in active region emitter base junction is forward bias FB, forward bias, and collector base junction is RB, reverse bias. In active region, emitter base junction is forward bias and collector base junction is reverse bias. To operate a NPN transistor in active region, now the fourth question is the number of different Bravais lattices possible. The number of different Bravais lattices possible in 2 dimensions is option A 2, option B 3, option C 5, option D 6. We know that 5. 5 Bravais lattices in 2D are solution 5 Bravais lattices in 2D are 1. Square lattices, option 2. Rectangular P lattices, rectangular P lattices, rectangular C lattices. 4. Hexagonal lattice, hexagonal lattice. 5. Oblique lattice, 5 Bravais lattices in 2 dimensions are square lattice, rectangular P lattice, option 3 0.3 rectangular C lattice, 0.4 hexagonal lattice, 0.5 oblique lattice. Now the questions number 5. Diamond lattice can be considered as a combination of 2 FCC lattice displaced along the body diagonal by 1/4 of its length. There are 8 atoms per unit cell. The packing fraction of the diamond structure is option A 0.48, option B 0.74, option C 0.34, option D 0.68. Solution PF of equals to NEFF into 4 pi by 3 into R cube divided by V, where NEFF equals to 8, V equals to A cube, then and root 3 A by 4 is equals to 2R is equals to 8 R divided by root 3. Now next step is PF is equals to 8 into 4 pi by 3 R cube divided by eight root 3 and of whole square. Then BF equals to 8 into 4 pi by 3 r cube divided by 8r by root 3 whole cube. Then the step of root 3 pi divided by 16 is equals to, option C is correct, 0.34 is the answer.